What's up, everybody? Welcome to
Project Porsche.
On today's episode, I put new outer weather stripping on the tops of my doors. I order new interior window guide felts and figure out how to make them fit better than that. And I get my aftermarket stealth speaker mod finished and get the soundproofing done on the insides of the doors.
That's like the coolest shot ever. I feel like a superhero or something. Super Ryan. Check out my sweet lair. All the cool stuff happens. Me and Sophie rocking the house. Are you good there, monkey? Do you feel safe right there? There. There you go, turkey.
So stay tuned for this episode of Project Porsche, where I fix up and modify my 924S. 30 years of exposure to the elements really did a number on my car's original outer window seals. So I ordered a new left and right side seal from Pelican, along with a new set of clips that hold these seals in place. First I popped out the old clips, then I cleaned the top of the door where that channel usually covers. And since I had to do a little bit of painting to cover up where I had welded inside the door
for my import,
I decided to just go ahead and spray the top of the door with some paint at the same time to cover up any scratches or little corrosion where those clips snap in place. And then I went about putting the seals on. So it turns out the new seals were longer than the old ones.
The factory trim has got the thing, this part that sticks into the corner of the glass cut off. So I'm gonna cut the end off of this one the same way.
And then after I stuck that end into the front of the door, I marked and cut off the back end where I needed to. I tried putting the clips on the seal first.
thing snapped on there, and now I'm gonna try to snap this thing onto the door. Time to snap. Time. I am all of a sudden Sean Connery.
But no matter what I did, I just could not get those clips to snap in place. So instead, I put the clips in the door first and then pushed the seals down into those clips. I went on the internet and I found out that these outer window seals tend to give people a lot of trouble when they go to replace them.
And they weren't kidding.
It is really difficult to get these things pushed down and snapped in place where those clips snap over a metal lip that's covered with rubber on the back side of those seals. You also have to make sure you get the front end of the seal tucked in underneath the metal that runs around the outer window there. I used a 2x4 and plastic interior removal tools, and eventually I was just barely able to get that seal pushed all the way down and the clips snapped over the edge. But they are snapped over it, so there it is, guys. How I replaced my outer door weather strip seals. So thank you for watching part 1 of episode 9, and be sure to check back for part 2 where I tackle my aftermarket window felts and get those installed. And thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.